Hello students, this is the next lesson of PaintShop Pro, and we're going to learn how to start editing our very first photograph. And so today what I did was I went to a site called Pixabay, and it's right here, Pixabay, and you can get all kinds of royalty-free pictures that are pretty darn good. I'm going to be providing a list of different sites that you can use to find royalty-free photographs with this course so that you'll know exactly where to get them. To get started, what you want to do is you want to find a picture that you like, then you right-click on it, right-click on the image, and then you can use this drop-down menu and you will select Copy Image. The thing I like about PaintShop Pro is that you can just easily drop your pictures into PaintShop Pro by using the method I'm showing you. All you have to do is go Edit and paste this new image. And this is a little bit different than Photoshop is, because Photoshop you have to open a new image first and then you have to paste. With this one you just hit paste as new image. Pretty simple. And so as you can see, PaintShop Pro has one simple step that you can do that will not complicate things. You just click paste new image. So here you go. So now you have your very first image that you're going to be altering. And the way that you can start altering this image is by using your tool palette over here. We're going to go through the most important tools on this tool palette. There are a ton of them, so going into great depth on each one probably would not help you as much as going through the most important ones. So we'll be going through as many of these as we can, but just to give you an example on how you can start to manipulate this picture, this is, for example, you're using your toolbar, and you'll notice that to the right of it there's a little drop down arrow. And there you can see there's extra tools. So the one thing to know about the tool palette when you start editing is that underneath all these little arrows there are extra tools. So this is a pan, zoom. Underneath the pick tool there's pick and move and so forth. Some of them do not have the little drop down arrow, so you can see that there's nothing there. But with this, you've got these extra tools, and of course the selection tools are really great. And we're going to go into all the selection tools, but let's just use the selection tool for right now. So this is the freehand selection tool, and I'm just going to kind of use this as a demonstration. And let's say we just want to keep this image right here. So you can draw around by clicking around this car. You can draw around the car. So I'm clicking as I go, and we're going to do a lesson on this tool. But here we go. Then double click at the end, and you'll see these little, what I like to call marching ants. It's a dotted line that's moving, and that shows you the area that you've selected. So let's say, for example, we want to get rid of this car. We go to Edit, and we can go Cut. Booyah, and it takes the car out, and it's just that simple. So as I said before, we're going to go into all these different tools, and I just wanted to show you how to get your first image into PaintShop Pro. Now if you wanted to start an image totally new, just go up here to File and New, and it should be a pop-up box that comes up that looks like this, and you can adjust your size. Once again, we went through this in the last lesson, but whatever. And then you can pick transparent or not transparent, right? Click on OK down at the bottom, and there you have your blank canvas. And once again, you can take whatever tools that you want to. I'm taking the paintbrush now. We're going to go into depth on how to use a paintbrush, and you can start painting on your canvas. So that's a very simple first lesson on how to get started with your tools and start editing an image. In the next lesson, we're going to go into the magnifying tool. We'll also go into the pick tool as well. So I'll see you on the next lesson.